This frog, the size of a thumbnail, faces danger at every turn. A keen-eyed parrot snake, a frog-hunting specialist, searching for the telltale silhouette of prey. Once it's locked on to a target, it rarely goes hungry. The frog must escape. And fast. But he doesn't run away. He sits tight and does something magical. He packs 90% of his blood cells into his liver, hiding them away, and starts to become transparent. Then he shrinks many of his organs to a third of their original size. So he all but disappears. But even one move would reveal his presence. He must stay still. The snake moves on. He's one of the only animals on Earth that can disappear like this. No wonder he's known as a glass frog.